Oh, this is a painful video for me to do. This is a painful video for me to do today, guys. This one is all about options today. And basically, so options allow you as an investor to basically hedge positions, or basically you get a chance to make much more upside than buying a stock straight up. There are some risks that are involved with options, okay? And today we're gonna look at some option contracts I bought a little less than 2 years ago that I sold very quickly after I had bought them for very small profits. And what I'm going to show you to you guys today is going to make you want to throw up with how much these option contracts are now worth compared to what I paid for them, guys. Now, as you know, I just came out with a 12-part, full-part series course basically on options. So if you don't really understand options, go ahead, take that full course, guys. I think that will help you out tremendously in this respect. The whole first section, by the way, is free. So if you're still not sure if you want to check it out, like click on the link, watch the whole first segment for free at least. I think it will benefit you guys. You just don't be an idiot like me and sell your option contracts too soon. Oh my gosh, guys. So this first one here, okay, this is Activision Blizzard. These I bought back in February. This was February 8th, 2016 was the settlement date. So that means I bought them a few days before that, right? These I bought, they were expiring in January 2018, January 19, 2018. I bought them for a strike price of $30, all right? I paid $6.75 per contract, all right? I bought 3 contracts, right? Those contracts now are worth over $35. We're talking about a nearly 6-fold increase there, guys. So I bought about $2,000 worth of contracts there. Those would now be worth over $12,000. We're talking about a $10,000 opportunity lost by not holding on to those. Oh my gosh. And so basically options, and I'm gonna show you a few more here that I'm just gonna discuss to you guys. But basically, you know, I started really getting into options kind of the end of 2014, started learning a lot about them in 2015, and toward the end of 2015 into the beginning of 2016 was when I started playing around with options, okay? And I was still in learning, and I was still very unsure of myself with options, and so I think that's why I sold a lot of these contracts with a very small profit in a very short amount of time, because I was like, oh, I just made 10% here, and I thought that was good, and now you're gonna see these are all up hundreds and hundreds of percent, guys. If we look at this next one, these are Apple, okay? I bought Apple, this was in January 7, 2016 was the settlement date, closed there. They expired in January 2018. I bought these for $115 strike price, right? These ones I paid $10.90 for. I bought 1 contract of those. Then I bought another contract a few days later for a little lower price. I was able to get these ones for $10 even, same exact strike price, same exact expiration too, January 2018, and strike price $115. Now those are worth close to $57 and some change, guys. Oh my gosh, that's over a 4-fold increase there. It's massive. It's massive. Let's look at this one next here. Cirrus Logic. These ones I bought, or the settlement date on these was January 6, 2016. These ones expired also in January 2018. I was really into buying when I buy options, basically when I buy call options, I usually like to buy them longer term dated out, right? These ones were for a $35 strike price, right? I paid $6 for these. Now those are worth well over $22 a share, guys. So all of these I lost, you know, I didn't lose money on them technically. I made small amounts of money because I sold them off for a super small profit in a short amount of time. But I missed out on unbelievable gains because I was a little unsure of myself and I sold these off, guys. So, you know, a lot of that stuff just happens when you're a beginner in something, right? You're kind of a little unsure of yourself like I was with options, and you sell them off and it's just oh, it's painful, guys, because there's no stock I've been involved with that has done even close to that good, right? Even Wynn Resorts, we look at Wynn Resorts, how much, you know, that's up massively since I made that investment. What, 140%, right? That's not even remotely close to the type of gains I could have gotten with any of these option contracts, right? So no matter which way I flip it, there's no way I can say, well, I was better off going this route or that route, because all those are up hundreds and hundreds of percent, and no stock I've been involved with since then has been hundreds and hundreds of percent. The best gain I've had since then is Win Resorts at 140%, and even the worst one, Cirrus Logic, blows that away, guys. So, you know, and that's kind of what, when I do option contracts, I usually buy for 3 or 4 figures. So I'm usually looking for between $500 and about $3,000 at a time. I usually buy with option contracts. That's the amount I feel safe. I'll never open up like a 5-figure option position like I will with stock straight up or whatnot, guys. But anyways, you know, if you guys want to take that options course, go ahead, take it. If you don't want to be in the membership group long term, just cancel your membership right away, and there's no questions asked or anything like that. But definitely it's worth your while to take that options course, because there's a lot to be learned with options. And you know, this is just one side of options. This is just me making dumb moves as far as not holding these contracts that are up massively now. There's also the whole other side of you being able to hedge positions, write covered call options and things like that, guys, that you can play it a lot safer actually than just going long shares or short shares in the market. So a lot of times people think options are super risky. They can be super risky because, like, if those options expired worthless, they'd be worthless, right? But also there's ways to play options where you're actually playing at a much safer level than if you just go long share straight or short share straight, guys. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this today. Definitely not the most fun video to do, you know, showing, you know, there's way over 5-figure gains just in those option contracts alone that I didn't hold, guys. So anyways, thank you for watching, guys, and have a great day.